In our daily life, we usually face pressure, deadlines, and distractions. But the question is, how do people survive, stay calm, focused, and successful? Well, the answer to that question is simple: self management. Self management is the ability to manage and control our time, energy, emotions, behaviors, responsibilities effectively. As in, it means taking control of ourselves so that we can achieve and accomplish our goals to live in a well-balanced lives. Self-management has got four main elements. Number one is time management. When we are able to manage our time, we simply use our time wisely. As in, we don't just waste our time, but use it wisely. We plan our daily activities, we schedule tasks, we start prioritizing tasks according to its urgency and value. We also avoid procrastination, as in delaying tasks unnecessarily. We usually complete our tasks accordingly. We also avoid last-minute pressure by planning ahead of time, and also we stay disciplined and consistent, as in we stick to our plans and schedules. Secondly is setting goals. When we have goals, it gives our lives direction. We realize the direction that we are working to. Our lives has got a purpose and a direction, and also it increases motivation. We understand the reason behind why we are working so hard to achieve our goals. We understand the reason why we are doing whatever we are doing, and also we are able to measure our progress by consistently tracking our progress and monitoring our efforts, whether or not they are contributing towards towards achieving our goals. And also, when we have goals, we are able to manage time properly, as in we plan our daily activities. We also schedule tasks, and we avoid procrastinations, as in we always complete our tasks accordingly. And also, when we have goals, we are able to turn our dream into reality. Thirdly is emotional management. When we are able to manage our emotions, we stay calm under pressure. We are able to establish healthy relationship with others, and we understand the difference between responding and reacting. Usually, when we are emotional, we are able to pause, step back, and choose the right response instead of just exploding or shutting down. And lastly, self-discipline. We are always able to stay consistent